In this video, I'm going to show you how to give Chrome access to your camera and to your microphone. First thing, go ahead, open up your browser, Google Chrome, then go to the top right, click on the three dots, and now just scroll down until you find Settings. Go ahead, click on that, and after that, just go ahead and in the search tab, type in microphone. Just make sure to type everything correctly. Now go to the bottom and then just click on Site Settings, and after that, just go ahead and scroll down until you find Microphone. Go ahead, click on that, just click on it, left click, and now just make sure that sites can ask to use your microphone. If you found a site here that you need to use your microphone on, just click on it and remove it from this place. If you found a site here that you need to use your microphone on, just click on it and remove it from this place. Now just go ahead, click on the microphone and check if the microphone you're using is not here. You can choose whatever microphone you want to use on Google Chrome. Now to go to the camera settings and site settings, go ahead, type in camera again. Then scroll down, click on camera. As you can see now, make sure sites can ask for your camera, and if you have a site here, you can remove it as well. Then scroll down, click on camera. As you can see now, make sure sites can ask for your camera, and if you have a site here, you can remove it as well. You can go ahead to the top and choose whatever camera you want. So this was a quick and easy process video. As always, thank you for watching.